You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is a bit confusing, and indeed it has different pronunciations in English, so let's make sure we get it right. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. It's pronounced either almanac with an O sound. I believe it comes from Greek originally, through French probably, meaning calendar. Almanac, or it is also correct in English. Two pronunciations are correct. Almanac. Alright, so almanac or almanac. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.